Today I'm going to tell you a wonderful story about how people in Russia celebrate New Year. New Year is the biggest and the most beloved holiday in the country, even more important than Christmas. So let's imagine that we are in Russia on December 31st. It all starts in the morning. Outside is so cold and snowy and beautiful. Families wake up early because there is so much to do. First, they decorate the New Year tree, yolka, shiny garlands, colorful balls, bright lights. The tree becomes the heart of the celebration. Then people go to the supermarket. Of course, the shops are full. Everyone is buying food, drinks, sweets, presents, and every time you meet someone you know, you automatically say, "С наступающим! С наступающим! С наступающим! Happy upcoming New Year!" And they smile and say the same thing back to you. "И вас с наступающим! И вас с наступающим! И вас с наступающим!" Happy upcoming year to you too! When people return home, they begin to clean the house. It's important. Russians believe that you must enter the new year with a clean home and a clean mind. Then the cooking marathon begins. And oh, it's a serious marathon. On the table, you will always find Olisiia salad, a traditional potato and meat salad, холодец with the horseradish, холодец с хреном, meat jelly usually eaten with spicy horseradish, shuba salad, herring under a warm colorful coat of vegetables, пельмени, dumplings, champagne, vodka, wine, шампанское, vodka, вино, the classic New Year drinks, and of course tangerines, mandarины. No Russian New Year exists without tangerines. Guests are invited, presents are wrapped, and the house smells like celebration. Also, there is a special moment for children. In the evening, something magical happens. Ded Moroz, Grandfather Frost, and his granddaughter, Снегурочка, the snow maiden, come to visit the children. The kids stand on a chair and recite a poem they learned specially for New Year. They smile, they try very hard, and when they finish, Ded Moroz gives them a present, подарок. It's an adorable and very warm tradition. During the final hour of the old year, guests begin to arrive. Everyone sits down at the table. People laugh, talk, eat, and enjoy the evening. About 1 hour before midnight, champagne is opened for the first time. This is the symbolic moment of saying goodbye to the old year. People raise their glasses and say, "Let all troubles stay in the old year. Пусть все плохое останется в прошлом году." And then comes the most important moment. At 11:55 p.m., everyone turns on the TV. The whole country is watching the same channel. Why? Because Mr. President of Russian Federation gives his traditional New Year's speech. He speaks about the results of the year, important events, hopes, and plans for the future. As soon as the speech ends, the Kremlin chimes begin to strike. This is the moment of magic. When the clock begins to strike midnight, people follow a unique tradition. They take a small piece of paper, they quickly write their wish on it, they burn the paper, and they drop the ashes into their glass of champagne, and they drink it before the last chime. If they manage to do everything on time, their wish is believed to come true. At exactly 12:00, everyone clinks glasses and shouts, "С Новым годом! С Новым годом! Happy New Year!" People hug, kiss, laugh, and congratulate each other. Then they put on warm coats and go outside to launch fireworks. The whole sky becomes bright with colorful lights. Everybody is watching, laughing, taking pictures, celebrating together. But the night is not over. Actually, it's just the beginning. All night long on TV, famous singers, dancers, and comedians perform. They sing popular songs, joke, entertain the audience, and create the festive atmosphere. Meanwhile, people at home continue celebrating. They eat, sing songs, dance, talk, play games, visit neighbors, and enjoy the night. So, most people that night go to sleep about 6 a.m., 5 a.m. If you go outside on the 1st of January, you will not see anyone on the street. You will be the only one for the whole morning, maybe up to the afternoon. Everyone will sleep. There is a famous saying in Russia: "Как встретишь Новый год, так его и проведешь. Как встретишь Новый год, так его и проведешь. Как встретишь Новый год, так его и проведешь." The way you meet the new year is the way you will live it. So everyone tries to celebrate with joy, kindness, and a little bit of magic. In fact, the holiday season lasts 13 days. The whole country doesn't work. After New Year's Eve, everyone celebrates Orthodox Christmas on January 7th, and then a week later comes the Old New Year, a unique Russian tradition that officially ends the festive period. So the whole country celebrates the New Year on a grand scale. During these 2 joyful weeks, people visit each other, enjoy long family dinners, host fun events, relax, watch movies, or travel to warm countries, because in Russia it is extremely cold at this time of year. And that is how Russians celebrate New Year. It's warm, festive, emotional, loud, and full of traditions. It's a holiday about family, hope, love, and new beginnings. Happy New Year, everyone! С Новым годом!